For 30 years, Walter Dean worked in a noisy, sweaty factory in Ohio. Every day, he punched in at 6 a.m. and left after sunset, covered in grease, exhausted and invisible to the world. At 49, he still lived paycheck to paycheck, driving a rusted pickup and dreaming silently about a better life. One day, Walter's factory announced it was shutting down. Dozens laid off. Walter, jobless at 49, with no savings and no backup plan. I felt like the rug had been pulled from under me. But maybe that fall was a push forward. Walter remembered something. Coworkers always praised his homemade barbecue sauce. Every Friday, he brought extra jars. People even asked to buy some. So he made a choice, not to apply for another job, but to build something of his own. He started small, selling jars at farmers markets, handing out samples at gas stations, making deliveries in that same rusted truck. Some laughed at me, others ignored me, but a few believed, and that was enough. A local food blogger tried his sauce, loved it, and posted a glowing review. The next day, Walter's phone wouldn't stop ringing. Within a year, Dean's Fire Sauce was in 20 stores across 3 states. At 52, Walter became a millionaire. Not because he was lucky, but because he refused to let his age define his limits. You're never too old to start again. Sometimes, Plan B is what you were born to do. Walter Dean's story isn't just about barbecue sauce. It's about grit, reinvention, and the quiet fire inside people society overlooks. He didn't give up, and neither should you. Inspired by Walter's journey, subscribe to InspireVerse for more real stories of everyday people turning struggle into success.